Hi everyone, welcome to this week's vlog and my studio tour. Now for the next couple of weeks I'm actually taking some time out to recharge my batteries because I'm starting to feel a little tired and a little burnt out. So before it all gets a little out of hand, it's time to take some much needed R&R time. So meanwhile, I have created a couple of videos, a two-part series if you like, of my studio. Now I've lived in this house for a couple of years now, and when I moved in it wasn't in the best state, so I did a renovation. So the first part is how it looks now, and the second part coming next week is a overview of the renovation and all the work I did on the studio. I'm super proud of what I did to make my studio my own, and I wanted to share it with you, so I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks time feeling all rejuvenated and ready to start work afresh. Bye for now.